Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today we are going to do a camera comparison between the Samsung S8 and the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So let's start the camera comparison.
First of all, let's talk about the camera specs of both the phones, the Samsung S8 and the Huawei Y9 Prime. So for the front camera, the Huawei Y9 Prime has a pop-up selfie camera, whereas the Samsung S8 has a usual fixed camera. So the Samsung S8 has a 8 megapixel f1.7 front camera, whereas the Y9 Prime has a 16 megapixel f2.0 camera. The front camera of the S8 can record a video up to 1440p at 30 fps, whereas the Y9 Prime can record a video at 1080p at 30 fps from its front camera. Now let's talk about the back camera. So the Samsung S8 has a 12 megapixel f1.7 wide angle lens back camera, whereas the Y9 Prime has a 16 megapixel f1.8 wide camera and a 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. It also has a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor as well. So both the phones have LED flash, auto HDR and panorama. For video, the Samsung S8 can record a video at 2160p at 30 fps and a 1080p video up to 60 fps, whereas the Y9 Prime can record a video at 1080p at about 60 fps. Both the phones can record slow motion video at 720p quality at 240 fps. On the left side we have the pictures from the Samsung S8, and on the right side we have pictures from the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 model. So as you can see in the picture, the colors on the Samsung S8 pictures are more vivid and clear as compared to the blown off and whitish colors on the Huawei Y9's picture. Now in this picture you can see that on the ground all the colors have been blown off. There is less detail on the Samsung S8 picture as compared to the more detailed picture of the Huawei Y9. Now here is another picture, and as you can see that colors on the Samsung S8 picture look more real and contrasting as compared to the you can say as less white balanced color on the Huawei Y9 picture. Both the cameras taken the photo on auto mode, so I haven't done any editing on these pictures. Now in this picture I am not seeing any much of a difference between both the cameras, and the both pictures look similar. Now in this picture you can see that the Samsung S8 is showing some detail of our subject that my friend is standing, whereas the picture on the Huawei Y9 is more of a, you can say as a grainy and a noisy picture. You can even see on the grass of the background that it is more noisy as compared to the more soft picture of the Samsung S8. Here is another picture, and I want you to focus on the sky. As you can see that the sky that detail on the sky is more on the Samsung S8 as compared to the blown off sky on the Huawei Y9. Now in this picture the Huawei Y9 has taken the shot better, and it is showing more detail and sharpness as compared to the Samsung S8. Now here are a couple of more pictures that you can watch. If you want to see their detail, you can just pause the video, and you guys are the judges. You're going to watch the picture and you're going to get a good idea of which camera is better, whether the S8 or the Huawei Y9s. Hello YouTube, this is Wasay, and this is the front camera comparison between the Huawei Y9 Prime and the Samsung S8. So you can see that both the cameras are recording at the same video quality, so you can see the video quality result on both the cameras. So this is a back camera comparison between the Huawei Y9 Prime and the Samsung S8 Plus. On the left I got the Samsung S8 video, and on the right the Huawei Y9 Prime. You can see the video result of both the cameras. Both cameras are recording at full HD 1080p, and you can see some stabilization in both the cameras as well. Hopefully this will give you an idea of the video quality of both the cameras. So this was a quick camera comparison between the Samsung S8 and the Huawei Y9. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching this video.